How to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off your viewer history so your profile visits stay private. First, open TikTok on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, scroll down and tap on Privacy. And the next step, scroll down and tap on Viewers and tap on Profile View History. Following this, you will see a toggle for Profile View History. Tap it to turn it off. Once done, a pop-up may appear explaining that turning this off means you also won't be able to see who has viewed your profile. Tap Confirm to proceed. Finally, once disabled, you can now visit anyone's TikTok profile and they will not receive any notification or see that you viewed their page. And that's it. If this TikTok guide helped you browse profiles privately, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.